YouTube, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Becca. I'm here to do some curl little rods, the old school. I had just had a relaxer, but I just want to do something real simple and cute. And yeah, if you're new, please check your girl out, subscribe, support your girl. But let me jump into this video because I had got me 7 of these and it's 12 in a pack. I might have too many, but who's going back to the store? Not me. Ain't going nowhere else. Ooh, that's a lot of work.
What does it take to be the nation's #1 cancer center? It takes subspecialists with an unmatched depth of expertise to turn research into breakthroughs and trials into groundbreaking treatments. It takes prioritizing safety, compassion, and an unwavering commitment to ending cancer. What will we do in the pursuit of making cancer history?
I definitely got too many, but I'm glad though. I ain't gotta go get none in a while, for a good while. I don't know what time it is. It's like it just turned 9 o'clock. It's 9:01 actually.
So guys, I done slow down the video so I can show you the section I'm doing. I'm showing you the method I was using throughout the video. All I did is take a mousse and a perm rod. It's a two-step method, so it's pretty easy. So you grab your hair and then you apply the mousse to your hair, a good amount. I feel comfortable with that amount because. And then I grab my perm rod and loop it around my hair around the perm rod and then roll all the way to the scalp to create that form, and then you hold it still and steady, and then you grab your string and you pull it around with my finger around from at the front to the side to have it sturdy and tighten, and then you put it in that little hole right there, and then voila, that's it.
Well, that's the end of that. I finally finished roll all of these up. My arms are hurting, y'all. How y'all like it? The installment so far. I think I can sleep in it. Yeah, I'll sleep in it. I'm not gonna blow dry it tonight, but tomorrow morning you will see the finished results and how it's supposed to look. But tonight, wrap these babies up. Doses. Well, good morning, y'all. It's the morning time. Let's get these babies out. So far, so good.